Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through what I typically do on a weekend, especially on Sundays, to get ready for the week ahead, because I work from home and the kids are going to school online, so I don't want to be stressed out throughout the week. So this is basically what I do. I'm going to be cooking some peppered gizzard sauce, and I have my gizzards here. I got this from Winco. I think it's like $2 and something per pack. I got 2 packs, so I've already washed it clean. Then I have my seasonings here. Here's my thyme, my curry powder, some rosemary leaves from the Dollar Tree, and this is my Maggi seasoning. I got this from Walmart. Here's my salt. Then I have some onions chopped up. So what I'm gonna do now is cook this gizzard until tender. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the pot and put all my seasonings and put some water and just let it cook. If you are new here, welcome to this channel. On this channel you can find cleaning motivations, some cooking, some decorating, and some mom life. So if this is something that you like, then click that red button down below and subscribe to the channel, and please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and then leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I would like to welcome you properly. So yeah, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for always trusting me. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. So now let's get right into this video. So while the gizzards is cooking, I'm going to be prepping my vegetables, my pepper. So I have some red pepper, green pepper. I have some onions as well. I'm just going to chop them up. Before the meat gets done cooking, I'm going to go ahead and start prepping for the kids' lunches for the week. Well, this week they're having Lunchables, so they choose what kind of Lunchables they want. So I'm just going to prep the rest of the things that I don't need to put in the fridge. I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags and put in this basket just for them to grab and go. All they have to do is grab a Lunchable and some Go-Gurt in the fridge, and they're good to go for the lunch. Then I don't have to stop working to get them lunches at lunch. So yeah, it's very easy for me to do that. And yeah, all they have to do is grab a bag, go in the fridge and grab the Lunchable and the Go-Gurts, and they're good, and they'll be good until I get done off work. So yeah, I have Capri Sun, I have some chips and fruit snack in the Ziploc bags. I just put the basket up here on top of my pantry, and they just grab what they need, and that's it. Now I'm checking on my gizzards. They are done. So what I'm gonna do now is drain them and then fry. Yeah, I'm not doing a deep frying. I'm just frying it to be a little crisp, just a little bit. That's how I like it to be, because I like to snack off on them as well. So I want them to be a little crisp. So I'm just doing a little bit of fry, not too much. In a clean pot, I'm adding some vegetable oil. Once the oil gets hot enough, I put my onions, then I follow up with my thyme. I like to cook my thyme in my oil first. I like the thyme to infuse into the oil before I add anything else, because it brings the flavor of the thyme out very good. That's how I do it. So yeah, so I'm doing here, just putting some thyme, then cook it for a little bit, then before I add the rest of my ingredients. Now I'm gonna add my Maggi seasoning powder. I also added this spicy chili. This thing is so hot. I only need a little tiny bit of it. It's very, very hot. I got it from a Chinese store, from the Asian market, and then I put a little bit of sauce from the fridge. This is a mixture of tomatoes and red bell peppers and onions. After adding all my ingredients, I just let it cook just for a little tiny bit, not very much. I don't want the peppers to be overcooked. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my fried gizzard and mix it all up. Then I cover for about 3 minutes to simmer, and then it's done. Our peppered gizzard is ready. You can eat this with white rice or boiled yams or boiled potatoes, anything. Today, on this day, I took mine with some white rice. So So what I did was I just put it in 2 bowls. I kept one bowl in the freezer and I put the other one in the fridge to eat for the week. So I'm gonna get to the other one sometime later. But I'm eating one for this week and I'll keep the rest in the freezer. Now it's time to tackle these dishes. Today is just one of those days that I didn't feel like loading the dishwasher, so I washed all these dishes. Yeah, it looks like a lot of dishes because we've been piling them up since morning. It's Sunday, so yeah. And after church, after we ate lunch, we just left the dishes in the sink. So I'm just gonna wash the dishes now and wash the sink before I go to something else. This little girl is just not having it today at all. She was not having it at all. She was so sleepy and she would not lay down. Try to make her take a nap, she will not. That's why you see her following me here, because I just have to get things done. So yeah. Another thing that I do is to get the clothes out for the week. So they go to school 4 days a week, so they don't go on Wednesday. So they don't. So I only have them put their clothes out for 4 days. It's for the girls, and I did the same thing for my son in his room as well.
Yes.
So after I got that done and out of the way, I decided to clean, even though it's still kind of bright outside. Well, I think it was like 6 p.m. So I just wanted to get the cleaning done for the day so I don't have to worry about it again the rest of the night. So yeah, I'm going to clean the kitchen up, starting with the dining table, sweep and mop the floor, and wipe the countertop down, and I think that's about it. So just getting my cleaning done for the day. at the floor. They already started dropping stuff on the floor. Yeah, that's my life for you. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. I think and I believe I've inspired somebody or given somebody an idea of how to prep for the week for less stress. This is what I do on a typical Sunday. So yeah, if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be happy to bring this video across your way once a week to show you how I prep for my week. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm gonna remind you, please, if you like this contents like this, don't forget to subscribe and make sure your bell is on so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Thank you and bye bye.